Hey kids, so today I'm going to show you how to change a water filter. If you have a refrigerator that has an ice cube dispenser and a water dispenser, odds are you got a filter in there. So I'm going to show you how to change it. This is how it's done on my refrigerator. It's going to be similar on yours. Just remember that that's something you need to do.
These filters are set on a 6-month timer, and you can see mine needs to be changed. My filter is located in the upper left-hand side of my refrigerator. Pay attention to which way it's facing. I just pull it out and then I pull on it to remove it. You may have to twist yours, but mine just pulls. Now make sure you remove the cap, right? And then we just put it in the same way that it was facing before. Push it in and then slide it over and then close the cover. Now you need to purge the air out of the line as well as get the water to run clear. And this may take several minutes of getting the water to run, but then eventually it's ready to go.
All right, I hope that was helpful for you. Thanks for watching and God bless you.